Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candace Jenet, and I am so excited to be doing this video today. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a quick weave.
She felt the flame in her way out of here. She felt a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. From hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking it, just look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada, bro. Get this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they're standing for any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched the hundreds, it's up the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about the bundles, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. Ain't no one mad to the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I got touch of action, no thanks you Korean. You fucking me good, bitch.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting my feelings. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back, don't run back. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting my feelings. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby. that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, skinny, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they growing when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you off, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and in the song.
She caught a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a baggin'. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, championship, ain't just gon' amp the shit. Bitch, breaking niggas that look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the counter up. We just money like it.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of this video. As you can see, I keep messing with my hair, but I noticed the more I kept trying to flip it and curl it throughout this entire video, it just will not hold a curl for anything. But I hope you all really enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. This is my first video in like 2 years, so hopefully I can be consistent enough to put out more content for y'all. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.